Spin your wheel a few times. We've got 4. This opens up like so. Open it up. Again, you can use this as a covering if need be. Bushcraft rope lighter. It's also known as a trench lighter, a shepherd's lighter, and a sailor's lighter. There's something you need to do when you first get this, okay? You need to char the end of your wick. Once that's charred, it's ready to go. You can use it. Pull it up, get that char area close to your wheel right here. Spin your wheel a few times. I like to do it several times. It throws sparks onto your char, and it's like char cloth. So now you can light something, start a fire or what have you, and you don't have a standing flame, so you don't have to worry about the wind blowing it out. Actually, the wind kind of helps you. Like so. So when you're ready to snuff it out, all you do is pull the rope back down, let the ball seat at the top, and it snuffs it out, and you're ready for the next time you need it. I think it's pretty freaking cool, to be quite honest with you. Boom! This little doohickey right here is the Mama Jamma of spice wallets. Genuine leather with brass fixtures and snaps. Got a really nice brass clasp right here with a lanyard. This is actually a belt loop. You can just snap that off, put it on your belt, and you'll be the coolest looking rascal in the freaking woods. We're gonna bust it open, and as you can see, we've got 4 corked vials right here so that you can keep some spices with you when you're out in the woods doing old bushcraft thing or just camping or whatever you want. I don't know about you, but I cannot stand eating bland food. I've got to have some spices with me. You can use this for something other than a spice wallet if you want to. You might could rig up some sort of fire kit out of it. You might could put some tinder in one, some fat wood shavings, fishing kit. If you got to keep medication on you, you maybe can put some different types of medications in there so you got medication on you. The sky's the limit. The Esbit pocket stove with fuel cubes. Really cool device, very simple to use. This opens up like so. There's a couple different position levels. So if you got a smaller pot or a larger pot, you can open it up to accommodate those. Got you a nice area right here in the middle for one of your cubes to go. Light it off and you're ready to rock and roll with a little stove. When you're all done, the Esbit cube basically burns to nothing and close it all back up. You can actually store a couple cubes in there if you want to and toss it back in your backpack. Very cool item here. Good design, gives it plenty of airflow, keeps it up off your surface if you don't have a whoopee. Keeps it up off the surface so you get good airflow to the bottom, so you get a good clean burn and get good heat from your Esbit cube. The Germans got it figured out. Made in Germany. There's always a need for somewhere to store something with you, okay? So this bag right here just fits the mold. You pop the old top, let it drop. Open it up, boom. Now you've got a bag on your hip attached to your belt where you can put, you know, stuff you're foraging, collecting arrowheads, you know, whatever. You've got a way to not have to go into your pockets to get stuff. But really cool bag right here. It is waxed canvas, so it will, you know, be water resistant and abrasion resistant and things such as that. It's got a drawstring on it where you can tighten it up and you just fold it back up, snap it closed, and that's all the space that's being used up on your belt. Less space than a typical multi-tool sheath that will go on your side. So a really cool item to have for all sorts of uses, including bushcraft. How many times have you gone out, gone to camp, especially people that are new to it, and go, crap, I didn't bring a towel? You can have one with you all the time. The Grenade Soap Co. microfiber travel towel companion thing right here. This towel right here, like I said, is 30 by 50. So this isn't just some little face towel or anything. Now, you can dry your whole body with this. I mean, this is a big freaking towel, y'all. Again, you can use this as a covering if need be in a survival situation. You can use this to help keep yourself warm. You can use this to create, you know, a tourniquet, a hasty tourniquet if you need to. It's not just a towel. It's like a bandana, right? There's hundreds of uses for a bandana. This is just a giant bandana, basically, that you can dry stuff with. So you can do the same stuff. You can filter with this. You can do all sorts of stuff with this. So again, great thing to have from Grenade Soap Co.